Ngidap da kajing sungkumen ka bakraw do kata-kata baya ka ni ka film karam ngin sawan sa joy.
Dan iin dan masusuyan.
Pila benar tetian nga. Hindi kajing kajong ay pi kanam kala.
Arpsan trik district library joy. Kasyu kan long khatway ka ba arbji ka ba sanbat ka ba news poa. Try kerkui pi ngin sa kendo komplisibun. Amen.
Nongialehkai karate balatip kum ka 32nd state level inter-school karate tournament arja upon Rio. Balapenya da ka all Meghalaya Karate Do Association AMKA. Kelas Sdang hak arpulai trik naitung ha multi-purpose indoor hall kasai STC Nehushla. Ha kani ka lumpung ladon hadu praspa arngut ki kena shinrang bat kenthei ki balawannya shimbenta na ki shispa arpun Rio tuligi school. La Pli Yaka Da Ukongsan, co-chairman ka Meghalaya State Planning Board but working president ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association MSOA ba John F. Karshiyang, ha ka jingdon lang u General Secretary ka MSOA ba Finally L. Pariat, Joint Secretary MSOA ba P. Lalu, kinongelam bat nongkit kam ka AMKA na lor kiway-kiway. Ha ka jingalang lapun ku burami ki arngut ki nongialehkai karate hadin ka jingla banyok Korea ka jingjom bat ka takma na karensan ngialehkai balatip kum ka 10th cadet junior under 21 but senior South Asian Karate Championship arja arpun Rio balalong hanong ba Dhaka Bangladesh. Kini ki arngut ki nongialehkai karate kilong u Daniel Dabyang Bhawardri ubala Korea ka takmak ser na ka boys junior 68 kg but u Gideon Tempun bala Korea kata kemarnong naka men under 21 individual kata. Haluar kania uba finally ulapan benaru ya ke kusnam song pisa ke bamarsan hajar tingka. Lingba ke MSOA syakini ki arngut ki nongialehkai karate jong ka AMKA.
Today we are in a position, in a very, very important moment of the state where we are going to, as you are all aware, we are scheduled to host the National Games in March next year. And we have roughly about 10 months to be ready. And I'm very happy to inform you that the government of Meghalaya, under the able leadership of Sri Conrad K. Sangma, the Honourable Chief Minister, his Cabinet, the Honourable Sports Minister, Sri Wainat Niki Shillad, the Department of Sports and Youth Affairs, the Meghalaya State Olympic Association, under the leadership of Finally El Pariat and other executive members, we are all working together to make it a successful event. And I'm very happy that we are on track and we are waiting for the ministry, the Government of India and the Indian Olympic Association to finalize the list of the sports which will be conducted for the National Games.
Ngidap da kajing sungkumen ka bakraw do kata-kata baya ka ni ka film karam ngin sawan sa joy.
Dan iin dan masusuyan.
Pila benar tetian nga. Hindi kajing kajong ay pi kanam kala.
Arpsan trik district library joy. Kasyu kan long khatway ka ba arbji ka ba sanbat ka ba news poa. Try kerkui pi ngin sa kendo komplisibun. Amen.
Second fight is this fight is between the third fight is